Swapan, do I know you from before?
Yes, you taught us CMA level 1 during the last 1 month of before an exam.
Ah, yes, that's how I know you.
You
Okay.
gave all the tips and tricks, the time management thing, that trick we used to clear our exam.
Stay tuned till the end of the video. I'll be sharing my exclusive tip I shared with Swapan on how to manage time during CMA preparation. Swapan was just placed at Wipro. Excited for a new chapter in his professional life, he had some really nice insights to share with us. Swapan, how excited are you for your new job?
Yes, I am really very excited for the new job. I was recently placed at Wipro. Actually, a very nice feeling, and I'm very excited to go on the field and enter into the corporate world.
Tell us about your placement journey. How did it all come together?
I had given a lot of interviews before getting into Wipro. So first of all, I was placed in another company through my college placements. After that, when I was entered into Miles Alumni Group, I sat for another company, and it had the technical interview round, the HR interview round, and the placement test as well. I cleared all of them, but when I was in my final round, Vasudha ma'am told me that Wipro is also coming for CCMA candidates. So I immediately dropped that company because the role in Wipro, the corporate finance role is what I have always wanted to. After my grade 12th, I was looking for different universities to do my BCom somewhere out or somewhere. Then I checked up Christ. I saw that Christ offers almost like 10 to 15 different courses for BCom itself. At that point of time, I had no idea what a CMA is. For the whole first year, I was only studying the curriculum, and I didn't know that what value does this degree hold. But when I was in second year, then I saw some of my seniors who got placed just because of CMA into a world class corporate. So then I got to know that yes, this degree is something. Then I have to do it. I have actually realized that it was one of the best decision I had made during that time.
I was a student at Christ College too. The one thing I loved the most was the many canteens in the campus. What was your favorite thing? Do you miss anything?
Not only Christ, I miss everything about Bangalore. To be honest, I'm from Ludhiana, so it's a small city, But in Bangalore, it was so much fun, especially with all your friends. We were staying in hostels, we were staying in PGs, we can go out at any time. And obviously the campus, it's a huge campus. And obviously a lot of places like Avon and everything. So I don't know if I should say that here or not, but yeah.
How did your parents react when you got the job?
I didn't get a mail. I got a call from Miles only that we had been selected before I could get a mail. So yeah, I was very excited. I went and told my parents about it. And my parents aren't actually into corporate too much, so they don't really know about all these companies. Then I sat with my laptop and I showed to my mom that mom, this is Wipro, this is the office I'll be working in and everything. So first of all, never make a wild guess about anything in any technical interview. Nowadays we are having the video interviews through Zoom calls and everything. Then you should be properly dressed. Never go for an interview in casual attire. Always be in formals with a tie compulsory because you are giving a corporate interview. The third thing will be always be confident. Never never take long breaks between your answer. You should give your answer, your explanation in one single flow. And yeah, so these are the top three things that I feel. I wrote a lot of emails to a lot of other companies asking for opportunity. Texted all the HRs on LinkedIn as well, but I didn't get any response. And that's where Miles stepped in. I was added to Miles Alumni Group, and then Vasudha ma'am really connected me at every level. Almost every week she used to call me about and telling me about the new company if I am interested in. That's how Wipro came up, and then I sat for Wipro. And so yeah, she was really very very supportive during the whole process. For me, the success mantra is not thinking about the results. Not thinking about the future, and just do the best in what you can and do your best in your present.
One of the most asked questions that we have is how to manage time during the exam. And my most recommended tip is that you concentrate on the first 33 question in the 1 hour time frame, and you replicate the same for the next 2 hours. That way, in about 3 hours time, you're done with the 100 MCQs that you have. And because you're focusing on only the 33 question in an hour's time, the number of questions that you'll get right will be more.